you over what a roof replacement job looks like from a contractor's perspective on ResiBid. So first of all, you'll get logged in as a contractor. Stick it to your dashboard here. You'll go over to new bids, which will show you all the new bids in your area of operation. We'll scroll down to the roofing test. We'll click there, and this will bring up the job information. So the customer's information will stay all blacked out. The customer stays anonymous during the bidding process until they pick their winner. You'll see the zip code of where the project is, along with more details down here of what brand and variety of shingles that they want. From there, you'll get your full Eagle View report here, which you can scroll down. You'll get your total squares, the pitch, and then all the different photos of the workspace. And then if you want the full PDF, you can click here to see that. So it'll show you everything there. From there, if you choose to write a bid, you'll click Write Bid. You'll go here, you'll enter your price, $12,000, your lead time, and any additional comments you'd like to put in there. The cost to bid on these jobs is just $5. So you'll click Submit. You'll be redirected to our Stripe page to pay that. And then from there, the customer will get notified you've bid on their project. And once they compare all their bids, they'll choose their winner. If you're notified, then you'll get a link that'll bring you back here, and you'll have all the customer's information for you to submit a full proposal for their approval.